So in today's video, I am going to be doing a full review of a tool called TalkieAI Pro. I will show you exactly what it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your money. So just stick around and let's get into it. So let me start by telling you what TalkieAI Pro actually is. It's a web-based app that lets you make talking head videos using a virtual human, meaning you never have to show your face, sit in front of a camera, or record anything yourself. You just give it some text, a keyword, a link, or even a PDF, and the app does all the work and spits out a video with a realistic person talking in it, with the lips perfectly synced to the words. The videos you create with this work great on pretty much every platform out there like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. And because these talking head videos look so real and professional, they tend to get a lot of attention and pull in views without you having to do much after posting them. Okay, so now let me walk you through how this actually works because I want you to see how simple the whole process is. So when you get inside the app, the first thing you do is go to the talking video section. From there, it shows you a bunch of templates to choose from. You can pick a regular human avatar, a character style, or if you want something more personal, you can even upload your own image and it will turn that into your talking presenter. So you have a lot of freedom right from the start. After you pick your template, you move on to the voice part. They have a whole library of videos you can choose from and they cover a lot of different languages and accents. But if you would rather use your own voice, you can upload your own audio too and it will use that instead. So that's a nice option to have. Then comes the script. Now this is where it gets really interesting. You can either type out what you want the avatar to say, or you can just drop in a keyword and the AI will write the whole script for you. You can also paste in a website link and it pulls all the content from that page automatically. Or if you have a Word file or a PDF sitting on your computer, you can just upload that and it grabs the text from there. So there are a lot of ways to feed it content, which is great. Once you are happy with everything, you just hit generate voice and in a few seconds you have a natural sounding voiceover ready to go. Then you click generate talking video and that's literally it.
Welcome. This is Humanify Demo Video, the world's first AI engine that turns any text, URL, article, PDF.
Your video is done and you can download it with one click. And what really impressed me in the demo is that they also showed videos in French and Spanish. And the lip sync was spot on in both of those two. Like it didn't feel off at all.
Une vidéo de démonstration de Humanify. Le premier moteur d'IA au monde qui transforme n'importe quel texte, URL, article, PDF, document, blog ou mot-clé.
For something that took under a minute to make, the quality honestly looks really good. Now let me talk about what's actually inside this and what you are getting when you buy it. So first off, they give you over 60 different human avatars to pick from. These are not cartoons or worried looking AI faces, they are realistic looking people with different ages, looks and backgrounds. So you can find one that fits whatever kind of video you are making. And the lip sync on all of them is built right in. So you don't have to do anything extra to make the mouth movements match the audio. Now, if you don't want to use one of their avatars, you can actually upload any image, whether that's a custom character or even a celebrity style presenter, and the app will turn it into a talking video for you. That's a really cool feature. When it comes to creating your content, you can go from text to video or from audio to video, whatever works best for you. And it supports over 50 languages. So if you want to reach an audience that speaks French, Spanish, Hindi or anything else, you can do that too. There are also lots of different voice styles and accents to choose from inside the voice library. One thing I really liked is that you can actually control how your avatar feels in the video. You can make them look happy, serious, energetic, calm, whatever matches the vibe of your content. That's not something you see in every app like this. There is also an AI script writer built in, so you don't have to write anything yourself. a speech to text tool, and they also include a traffic feature that's designed to help you get more eyes on your videos and then convert those viewers into buyers. And on top of all that, you get a commercial license included with your purchase. That means you can make videos for other businesses or clients and charge them for it and keep every single dollar you make. Now, let me talk about the price because I know that's what a lot of you are waiting for. So, TalkieAI Pro is a one-time payment, which means you pay once and you are done. There are no monthly fees, no subscriptions, nothing like that. You just pay one time and you get access to everything. And if you use the coupon code TalkieVIP at checkout, you are going to get 30% off the price. So make sure you use that before you buy. The link is down in the description below and the coupon code is there too, so you don't have to go looking for it. They also back it up with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you get inside and you feel like it's just not for you, you can reach out and ask for your money back within 30 days. No big deal. And here is something I really want you to pay attention to before you go and buy this anywhere else. If you grab TalkieAI Pro through my link down in the description, you are also going to get 21 exclusive bonuses from me on top of everything the vendor is already giving you. These are bonuses I personally put together and you can only get them if you buy through my link. If this video helped you out at all, it would mean a lot if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I put out honest reviews like this all the time and I don't want you to miss any of them. Alright, that's it for this one. I will see you in the next video.